The Catholic school here does a great job with teaching every child what they need to know in every grade that they go through so that they can excel later in life.
And so our students, year after year, score highly in their test scores, but we've had a number of students who've gone on to various high schools, and they're the valedictorian of their class. And so they become lifelong learners, but more importantly, they become lifelong disciples.
I think our mission is to teach the whole child, and that means teaching reading, math, science, social studies, all the regular things, but also our faith.
Even the first day of school this year, we just started a week ago, and the confidence that she had to walk into school to say hi to the people that are greeting, the principal, the office assistant, you just see her personality shine because of that. Like, she feels loved and supported, so then she really gets to flourish because all of those other basic needs are being met.
It's just been a really great experience to see them thrive and strengthen their faith along with their academics.